Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about hernia. What is hernia? Hernia is an external growth and it also troubles the patient with so much of pain, and it has been a very big problem for the most of the people. There are so many types of hernia, that is intestinal hernia, umbilical hernia, groin hernia, hernia in the stomach, any kind of hernia. Okay, wherever the hernia happens, that hernia we call it. And if you ask, okay, doctor, hernia is a surgical condition, do you have any treatment in homeopathy for that? Of course, yes. Don't worry, hernia is a condition where we can treat it with homeopathic medicines. Today in this video, I'll be talking about so many homeopathic medicines which are really helpful in the treatment of hernia. If you take these medicines, of course, you will be able to treat your hernia. Myself, Dr. Mika from Homeopathic Clinic. I'm a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. Okay, without any delay, let's move on to the topic, that is hernia. Aconite nephritis, hernia of the intestine. I already said wherever the part is being extended, that part is also called as hernia of that part. Okay, hernia of intestine, which is a form of inguinal hernia in which the hernial sac lies between the layers of the abdominal muscles. Pain in the strangulated bowel. Asculus hip, hernia of the groin, if on the left side with pain, then you can take the asculus hip. It is always given when it is on the left side, not on the right side and with the pain. Asculus hip had given to one patient who was having this pain on the right side of the groin and also on the face, but it did not work. So I was really kind of shocked what I should be giving. But like this also happen if you ask, of course, yes, the side affinity is very much important in some medications. Okay, asafoetida, hernia of the stomach protrudes upwards through the esophagus. Hiatus hernia, also it is also kind of given this remedy only, that is asafoetida. If you ask, asafoetida is an kitchen thing, right? Yes, it's a kitchen thing, but we use it as a medicinal because it has so much of medicinal properties. We use it in many conditions, asafoetida, so it has worked wonders. Almost all homeopathic remedies are almost around 50 to 60 are kitchen home remedies only, like onion, garlic, ginger, tulsi, calendula flowers, everything. Okay, aurum mat, hernia of the scrotum. The old age people have this kind of hernia of the scrotum is there, and the patient is very kind of fastidious and he does not want to share this one, and he says that no, I'm not having any kind of problem, I'm all okay, this, that and everything. Then you can think of aurum mat. If you are thinking of aurum mat, that patient should be acting like that. Means if you say how we can define, aurum mat is a gold. If you ask me, yes, the sona gold. Okay, the patient should be like that. Means he thinks that he is very valuable person, he always shines, he is most valid, like that. Calcarea carp, hernia occurring at the navel, means at the umbilical region. Okay, this mainly happens to the females than in the males. As per my clinical practice, I had seen more in the females than in the males, because after the delivery also this is kind of common. Before the delivery, not possibly, but after the delivery, due to normal deliveries, means high pressure or high kind of means baby weight or increased muscle capacity, like that. Calcarea carb you can give. Hernia occurring at the umbilical. It is more frequent in children and in women than in men, as I already said. It works in all forms of hernia. You can try it, because calcarea carb hernia, when there was hernia, I'd given calcarea carb, because that patient constitutionally was also a calcarea carb, so I thought I'll be giving that, and I gave it, and it has given me a fantastic result, so no doubt on that. Just give it, no problem with that. Calcarea phos, hernia of the navel if patient is thin, means the same kind of hernia, the same medicines, but it is calcarea carbonicum, it is phosphate, that's all. Phosphate means they will be thin, carbonicum means they will be flat and flabby, that's all. Same hernia of the umbilical region if they are thin. Granitum, hernia of the umbilical, the same hernia means umbilical hernia, you can also give it, but this is an not commonly used medicine, and you does not get it in a pharmacy. So if you are getting it, it's okay, but if you are not getting it, just go with calcarea carb. Calcarea carb cures all kind of hernias, but if it is a constitutional, it has wonders, but if it is not constitutional also, you can just try it out with other kind of thing also. Hydrocotyle, intestinal hernia with cellular multiplying in any part of the body. Intestinal hernia, okay. Lycopodium, inguinal hernia of the right side with pain or no pain. Inguinal hernia, okay. It dose every 15th day. Strangulated hernia. Strangulated hernia means the hernia which has so much of pain giving, okay. Distension of the abdomen with rumbling of gas, because lycopodium is an abdominal medicine. You can think whenever the hernia happens in the umbilical region, you can think of lycopodium. Magnesium mure, scrotal hernia means in the scrotal region for the male. If it is hernia because of excessive use of the scrotum, you can think of magnesium mure. Magnesium phos, scrotal hernia only, which is inherited, means it is from genetics. Then you can think of noxomica, right sided hernia, which is the left sided hernia, which his side is Aeschylus hip. This is right sided hernia with a lot of digestive troubles. Give 200 potency, start with 200 potency only. Noxomica reduces the pain in old hernias also, if it is left untreated and the pain comes any now or forth. And in a very recent case also, it cures umbilical hernia of the infants also, okay. You can think of noxomica. The children's hernia is the calcarea carb and the noxomica, which are the most indicated for the hernia. So you can think of Plumbamet, when the hernia is strangulated and aconite napellus, belladonna and noxomica have not worked properly, then you can think of Plumbamet after failing so many remedies. Sepia, vaginal hernia, okay. Stephysagria, in case of cystic hernia, that is hernia of the bladder. These are all rare hernias. Basidium, hernia of the thigh bone or femur. If you ask, hernia also happens in the bone, if of course yes, okay. If you ask, according to me, just go with calcarea carb and naxomica. That's all. And if it is more pain, go with calcarea carb with belladonna for pain, or naxomica with belladonna for pain. It will be reduced. No need of going for any other or rarely used medicines like this, like that. No need of. Okay. If it is vaginal hernia, go for sepia. Of course the naxomica can also cure, but you can take an grip on the sepia also. Myself, Dr. Megha. Today I was talking about hernia in this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Please do share this video for the needy one so that they can watch it and keep it as a reference. If you're looking for a safe medication, just go with the homeopathic treatment. Thank you. Have a beautiful life.